Okay, now let's go to part 2. Now we have this enclosed boundary. So using this we can use network surface option. So network surface, don't keep selected any entity, otherwise the command will automatically work on this entity. So deselect everything, so click outside, it will deselect everything, then use network surface and click on no auto sort, means it will not do automatically. We have to specify first direction, so this is my first direction, then click enter, and this is my second direction, then enter. So it will create a surface enclosing these 4 entities and click OK. So right now this is our boundary, and I don't want these outer curves, so I am just moving them to another layer. Keep pressing shift key and select. I don't to deselect, use control key and use shift key to add to selection. Okay, now hide all those curves. Okay, now we also have another option, extract wireframe. Okay, before that we will use a rebuild surface. We have option rebuild surface. So why we are using, because we these all are the lines are ISO curves. It is called ISO curves, which curves are on the surface that are called ISO curves. And if we are using rebuild surface, so after using this option we have to select the surface, then enter, and it will ask how many U and V counts you want. So this is 8, right now it is 18. So suppose if you want to change to 8, just click on preview. Okay, this is right now 6, we need 3, and this is 7. Just click on preview. Okay, so it is already shown, preview has been shown. Okay, this is fine. Suppose if you want to change it to 6, see the ISO curves has been changed, okay, to 6, but this is too much low, we need little bit more. So let's click on rebuild surface, select the surface, enter, and use 9 and 6. Just click on preview. Okay, okay, this is fine, this is fine for me right now. Why I'm doing this thing? Because I will just extract the ISO curves. These curves are going to make the view pattern, yeah, jali. Okay, so right now I'm using option extract wireframe. So this is the option extract wireframe, and now select the surface and change to another layer and hide it. So see, you can see now this is a cage of the wires. So right now I'm just going to apply pipe command on the outer boundary. Okay, go to solid and see there is a left click and right click. You can find out the menu option here once you hover over your cursor on any tool. So it is showing left side is pipe, right side is a pipe chain edges. So we have the chain edges. So use right click and use cap option as a round to merge rounds. Okay, pipe radius, it should be 0.3. Okay, this is fine for me right now. You can change as per your requirement. And for inner ISO curves, select them. Okay, use proper direction, orient your view to select the curves, and again use the same option round, and we will just change the radius. Okay, this is fine. Okay, it looks great. We can also change to 0.2. So select them, right click, round, and point 2. Okay, so this is fine. Go to top and make the group of these objects. Okay, use zooming in and out options to select these objects, because selection should be a smarter way, otherwise you will not be able to select properly. Okay, so now we will make group of them. Go to perspective. Okay, change your orientation. So right now this orientation is not according to our view, means our gumball is not, our gumball rotation directions are not as per our requirement. So keep pressing control key and click on this rotation or move option arrow, so it will change the gumball orientation. Then you can rotate and change the directions, change the its rotation and linear directions, linear positions. Okay, so now select the jali, select the pattern, go to looking down option and use array polar. Now it is asking center of polar array is 0, enter. Number of items should be 5 and 360, yes. Okay, so this is good for right now. Okay, now okay, we have to create our shank. So go to through finger option and take all the objects little bit upside, because we want to create a shank. Okay, now we have to apply cross section, profile placer. So go to the tools and this is the option. Okay, so now start the profile placer. So it is go little bit downside, so just minimize these toolbars and drag your menu inside. Select curve, apply here, it will show cross section. Specify your dimensions 1.5 and this is 1.5. Now I want to add another cross section, this and means both the sides. So here is the option add. Okay, so click on the add option, it will create another section on the same point. So use this option, position on curve and drag this and drag the cross section. Okay. Now I want little bit bigger than bottom profile. So right now click here, width should be 2.25 and height should be 2.2. Yeah, this is fine. And I want to make a mirror this side, so here is the option add mirror. Okay, so it will create mirror profile and then right click outside to complete the command. Now use sweep option, sweep 1, select the rail and select the cross section, enter, enter. Okay, and now the same second side, select both the cross sections, and I am using 3 extrudes because I want to do some operations here, so that's why I have used 3 shifts. Otherwise you can also select single rail and all the 3 sections and use close sweep option. Okay, now sweep 1, select and select one by one both the cross sections. Okay, make sure you are selecting the rail in between the sections, means the portion of the rail you are selecting this side, not this one. This is also the portion of the rail, but you have to select here because it will create upper side, this side. Okay, now just done. Okay, also make sure the arrow position should be the same and in the same direction, at the same point and the same direction, then only it will not twist the object, otherwise it will twist the object. Okay, so right now we have created this much ring, and next we will create in third part. Okay, thank you.